Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of my room. I feel a little bit violated because you're gonna see my personal living space, but we're just gonna go with it. What's the password?
Ava Jules, Mama rules.
Come on inside. So this is my room. I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the secret treasures that I have hidden in it. And also I promise that I'm wearing shorts right now, but let's not test that out. This is my living space. I do not leave it ever. This is my bed. This blanket is from Urban Outfitters. It's the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. Emma had like 7 of these in her apartment. They were super soft. So I got one for myself. The rest of my stuff on my bed, I'm not sure where it's from, but you can find them pretty much everywhere. So I just have this yellow pillow, and then I have this white fuzzy pillow, and then I have my body pillow. Body pillows are your best friend if you're single like me, because sometimes you get lonely at night, and that's when this comes in handy. So this is where I sleep alone. It's kind of sad.
Excuse me, it's kind of required. You're not married.
Over here is the painting that I painted myself in art class freshman year. I'm just kidding. My mom got it for me. Not sure where it's from, but it's just the ocean and it matches perfectly with my room, and I was looking for one like this for a really long time. So we have that. I wanted to incorporate a lot of like Hawaii things in my room just because of where I live, obviously. And then over here on this wall, I have this little sign that says beach bum, because that is exactly what I am. This sign is from Brandy Melville. You can get it at most of their stores. And then above it, I have these vine thingies. I got them from Urban Outfitters off of Doe. It's literally like $6 for a pack of like just a lot of different vines. And over here is my window. We are currently in the midst of a hurricane, and it's supposed to hit in like an hour, so that's really concerning, and that is why it is cloudy outside today. Moving on. Next to my window, this is like probably one of my favorite parts of my room. So I have this little moon thing. It's from Urban Outfitters. I don't turn it on that much, but when I do, it really just adds a majestic feel to the room. Over here is my phone, and then on my table I have these fake plants. I cannot keep real plants alive, so my mom got me fake ones. And then over here I have these 2 little like glass jars. They have like sand and shells in it, and I thought it was really, really cute. And then over here I have these little shells that I picked up from like the beach and stuff, so I just put that over here. It's part of the ocean, so I got that. I also have these crystals that I got from when I was in California with my sister. We went to like a crystal store. It was really, really cool. So I forget the meanings of these, but I know it's something cool. I have my AirPods. So when I was on the plane coming from Fiji back to LAX, one of my earpods fell out, and I'm pretty sure the guy next to me took it out of my ear because it's never fallen out before. Yeah, so I just have the AirPods with one, and they're useless because you can't really use it with one. Next to that, I have my like, I wouldn't call it a vision board, but it's just like this light up board, so it turns on and off, and you can like customize what you put in it. Oh my god, I'm a mess.
Are you doing well today?
I'm not doing well, Mom. I just put inspire and aspire because my goal in life is to like inspire people, and then I also aspire to be many things, so that's what I have in here. And then I also have this other fake plant with fake rocks glued to the bottom because I can't take care of anything. I'm not ready to have a kid because I would not be able to keep it alive.
Also, the fact that you're 17. Yikes.
Next to that, I have these papers that I was supposed to turn in for school today, but I didn't. On top of it, I have this book that says get your bleep. You know, get your bleep together. Really helpful. I need that in my life. Then next to that, I just have this empty wall. And then if you look down, this is where the bulk of my mess is. So I have a bunch of these glasses from Glasses USA because I'm going to be working with them really soon, which I'm so excited about. I have other stuff that companies have like sent to me. And then I have my friend's jacket. And then next to all that, this is like my little vanity thing. This is where I keep all of my makeup. So I'm not going to show you guys everything, but these drawers, all these drawers are packed with like makeup and random stuff that I have no other room for. Yeah, this is just all my makeup. I get a lot from like companies and stuff, which is so crazy. I'm so thankful for it. This is not from IKEA. I know like all the beauty gurus and stuff have like the vanities from them, but we don't have an IKEA in Hawaii, which is a ripoff, and they don't ship here either. So I love that. But this is from, it's called the Container Store. No, the store. It's a store. I don't know. It doesn't matter. You can find these at IKEA if you are lucky enough to have one. On top, I got this sent to me from Dote and Urban Outfitters. So thank you, Dote and Urban Outfitters. That's really amazing. This is the Crosley record player. You can use like real records. I already scratched this one because I just love myself. And then you can also connect your phone to it so it plays Bluetooth. So I really, really like this. Currently on this is Drake. because I love Drake with all my heart. Next to this is my desk, which is where I do most of my work. So I have my YouTube journal on the side, so I just write down like any video ideas. And then I also have my vlog camera, Petunia, next to it. She is almost near the end of her life, so say a little prayer for her tonight. I don't know. Next to that, I have this. I stole it from my sister's room. I'm not sure where it's from, but you can get mirrors from anywhere. This is the same desk that I've had since I was 6 years old. I have this backpack. It's just like my everyday backpack when I like go out and stuff. So this one is from Brandy Melville. And then I always get questions on these. So this is above my desk. It's like my own Polaroid wall, but I got these gold hangers from Target. So I got 2 of them and I think it looks really cool. The theme of my room is mostly like blues and golds and like just nature and really simple. These are the Polaroids that I have. Most of them are from my Fiji trip. So I miss everyone and I just like having Polaroids. And then on top of my desk, this is where I get ready and stuff. So I have all of my makeup, and then I have my computer. This is where the magic happens. And then inside my desk, this is where I keep my jewelry and stuff. This is like, I don't know. This is my favorite drawer. This is the favorite part of my whole room. It's my scrunchie drawer. So they're getting kind of stuck. I need to stop buying more. I pick a new one depending on what outfit I'm wearing so that it matches, because that's who I am. Then this is my closet. This is a very Hawaii thing to have like full-length mirrors, and it makes your room look bigger too, which is really nice. Plus, I can check myself out since no one else will. So I have these sliding mirror doors, and then inside, I buy too many clothes, but that's because you guys like seeing hauls. On top, I have this drawer, so it has just like some memories, old Polaroids, and like old pictures and stuff. I still got it. And then I have all of my like jackets and stuff. Hawaii doesn't get cold, but when it does, I like to be prepared. People that live in the mainland are gonna hate me for this, but I think that 60 degrees is very, very cold. So that's why I have all these jackets. On the bottom, I have my tank tops, and then I color code the rest of my shirts because on certain days I want to wear certain colors and I want to know where to find it. So I have white, yellow, and black. And then on the bottom, my 2 drawers of bikinis. So I have this bin that is full of bikinis, and then I have this one, and then these ones were just sent to me, and that's all that's in this side of the closet. Moving on. On this side, I have like my long pants and my dresses, and then I have some bags. So I have my Fjallraven Conkins. These are like my children, and then I have more of the Fjallraven Conkins up here. I have like my pillow. I didn't know I still had my pillow pad. And then in here I have like all my camera gear and stuff. On the side of the drawers I have my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque, which is crazy. I love this. And we're also about to hit 700,000, which is crazy. So thank you guys. I love you guys so much. In these drawers I have like school stuff in this bin, phone cases, Polaroids. That is this side of the closet. It's honestly kind of like a trash bin because I like to throw random things in there. But my mom just helped me clean it up. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
So that is my room. I didn't want to go too in depth of anything because I didn't want this to be super long, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing where I spend literally most of my time. If you stayed all the way to this point in the video, first of all, you're amazing and I freaking love you, and second of all, comment down below. Pumpkin, 'tis the season. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out. Okay, bye.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long 10 legs and teeth.